Hey guys, it's Nicole Andrews. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. So it's your one-stop shop, for powerful workouts, recipes, anti-aging tips. Today we're doing 6-minute abs, and it's part of our 30-day challenge to sexy abs. So today we're going to be doing 6 different exercises, 55 seconds each, with the last 10 seconds being a push. So take a break when you need it. I'll show you a couple modifications first. So we're going to start down in tabletop position. And if you have to for this one, you're going to bend your elbows along your rib cage and then bring your chin down, leg out straight, and then bring your knee to your nose. And this is where you really feel the crunch. So really modify if you need to. If you can't bring your chin down, just go as low as you can. And for the next one, if you can't do a plank with your leg up, then you're going to, because here's where we're going to go. Then if you can't do that, you can take your knee down and then just take it out to the side and crunch it where you feel that oblique. So this is your modification for that one. The last 2 will be on our back. No modification needed. Just take a break when you need to, okay guys? Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you get the next day, and we are going to get started. So set yourself up, tabletop position. We're doing chin dips, right leg out, elbows brushed by the rib cage, chin comes down, and crunch it in, forehead to knee. Go as fast or as slow as you need to go, and I will tell you when we're at our last 10 seconds. Our last 10 seconds, we're gonna pulse it. So here we're getting more triceps in, which are sore from chisel this morning, but we're doing it. Crunch it in. Doesn't have to come all the way to your forehead, but the more you crunch in, the more you feel it. Last 10 seconds, you stay here and pull, crunch. Pull that knee in, pull that knee in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let it go. 5-second rest. We're going right to the left leg. So left leg comes out, again, down and in. So really feel those abdominals crunch in when you bring your knee in to your forehead. And if you don't want to use your tris anymore, if your arms get tired, you can still make that connection. I like it because they're 2 different opposing directions. So at the last 10 seconds, we're going to crunch it in and pulse it. Keep it going. You guys are strong. And now hold it here for 10. Keep pulsing. Pulse. Hold that knee in and up. In and up. Good job. Awesome. 5 seconds. We go into plank mode. So that knee comes out. We're doing spider oblique crunches. And if you have to modify, if your wrists hurt, you can always come down to your forearms. I was golfing yesterday. My wrists are a little sore, but this is exactly what we're looking for. If you have to modify on your knees, like I showed in the beginning, you can certainly do that. Good job. Keep it going. So now we pulse. Left leg or right leg, wherever you're at, pulse. We're gonna switch pulses now. Other leg, keep it in, tight, small. It's small. 5 seconds here. 2, 1. Good job. So we have 5 seconds, guys. We're just doing standard mountain climbers, but we're crossing. So last 10 seconds, you're gonna go as fast as you can up this mountain. Keep it going. I know those arms are tired, but it can help as well. Engage your core, engage your core. Keep that butt down. You guys are burning it out in 6 minutes. Keep it going. Last push coming up. Then we go to our backs, right? So give it all you got. 3, 2, 1, let me see it. Sprint. Keep breathing. Good job. 5 seconds, come to your back. And we're doing, roll it all the way down, stretch it out, and now reach all the way up with a flat back. Articulate your spine down, then come up, reaching forward, and rolling down with control. Inhale, exhale, and now roll it down. Good job. 25 seconds. You feel it? It's an all long crunch, and we're gonna hold it up in 4, 3, 2, 1. So we crunch halfway, and you're just gonna hold it here. 2, 1. Good. Roll it down. Last one, best one, bicycles. So you're already in position. We want to make sure that that shoulder blade comes all the way up off the ground, chin away from your chest. Keep it going. Good job. Go as fast or slow as you want, but keep that burn and keep oxygen flowing through your body to those abs, creating that chisel. Yes, 10 seconds, and then you're gonna sprint. Keep breathing. You're doing awesome, warriors. 10 seconds to go, right here. Bicycle race, keep breathing. Go fast, go fast. Last one, best one, go fast. Woo! Stretch it out, deep breath in. Deep breath out. Good. So you guys, 6-minute abs. I'm telling you what, leave a comment. Let me know how you did. Let me know that you're in it. Just write yes. You don't have to write much, you could just write yes. That way I know you're with me on this challenge. Because I'm telling you, I had to find smaller leggings already, and we're not even halfway through. So you guys have a great day. Don't forget to comment, tap that bell, subscribe so you get day 9, 10, and all the great stuff we have. So have a great day, warriors. Love ya. See you soon.